welcome all of you to our AppTech Customer Day event. Today is a day of collaboration, learning, and exploring the latest innovations that can help drive your business forward.
The SAP Business One roadmap, so get ready to succeed.
So first is the application development. So under niya is natin tinatawag na visual low-code to no-code experience. So meaning is pwede na maka-create application bisan wala tayo experience or knowledge in coding.
Ang web client, ito yung pinakabago ni SAP on the SAP Business One na wherein this is also browser-based, meaning hindi mo kailangan hindi siya based on OS. So, kailangan mo lang dyan is yung Google Chrome, Firefox, ganyan.
Accessibility meaning sa ERP sa core mo siya gagawin kung mag-a-add ka lang ng field, UI layout, ng forms, templates, custom analytics, custom business objects, you can do that inside the core.